Turmeric is a plant from the ginger family and is commonly used as a spice. It has a distinct mustard yellow color and a slightly bitter taste. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin may also improve brain function and lower the risk of heart disease. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat various ailments. It is believed to help with skin conditions, digestive issues, and joint pain. Turmeric supplements are available, but consuming turmeric in food is more beneficial. It can be used to flavor curries, soups, and marinades. Turmeric pairs well with black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin. Turmeric has been used in cosmetics to brighten the complexion and reduce inflammation. However, excessive turmeric use may cause yellow-stained skin. Turmeric has a long history of use in India, where it is considered a sacred spice. It is also used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. Turmeric has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. Turmeric is generally safe to consume, but high doses may cause stomach upset. It may also interact with certain medications, so consult with a doctor before taking supplements. Turmeric is versatile and can be used in sweet and savory dishes. Golden milk, made with turmeric and milk, is a popular beverage in India. Turmeric has also been used as a natural dye for fabrics. Fresh turmeric root can be grated or sliced and added to recipes. Turmeric is a common ingredient in curry powder and can be found in the spice aisle. Turmeric has a warm, earthy aroma and adds a depth of flavor to dishes. It is a staple in South Asian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Turmeric has been used as a natural remedy for menstrual cramps and PMS symptoms. Some studies suggest turmeric may have benefits for people with depression. Turmeric supplements may help reduce inflammation in people with arthritis. Turmeric has been suggested to have anti-aging properties. Some studies suggest turmeric may improve gut health by reducing inflammation. Turmeric has been used to treat acne and other skin conditions. Turmeric capsules are often taken as a daily supplement. Turmeric tea is a soothing beverage that may help with digestion and inflammation. Turmeric has a long shelf life and can be stored in a cool, dry place. Turmeric has a mild flavor and is not overpowering in dishes. Turmeric is a natural food coloring for rice and other dishes. Turmeric is high in antioxidants, which may help fight free radicals in the body. Turmeric has been suggested to have anti-inflammatory effects on the brain. Turmeric is a low-calorie spice and can be used to add flavor to healthy dishes. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory infections. Turmeric has a bright hue and can be used to add color to food and beverages. Turmeric has been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues, such as bloating and gas. Turmeric has a unique flavor profile that can enhance a variety of dishes. Turmeric supplements may help reduce LDL cholesterol levels in some people. Overall, turmeric is a versatile spice with potential health benefits.